Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Now, what is a YouTube thumbnail? YouTube thumbnail is just a picture that people will see when they search for whatever is related to your video. For instance, if I want to search for a video that says how to make money online, when I type those words into my YouTube search, different options are going to come up. Okay, so those options that will come up will come along with different pictures that will attract me. So those pictures by the side of the videos, those pictures that are placed on the videos are your thumbnail. Let me just show you an example of what a thumbnail is before we go into the video proper. Alright guys, now this is my videos. Okay, now you are seeing some of the videos. Now these pictures you're seeing in boxes, these are thumbnails. Okay, these are what you can design to actually attract people to your videos. Now this is what a thumbnail is. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that in Canva. If this is your first time landing on this page, my name is Isioto, and I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you how you can make money online. If you haven't subscribed to this video, please do me a favor, subscribe to this video and share it. Okay, and if you have questions for me about how to do anything online, you can send me messages. Okay, you can comment in the comment section and I'm going to answer you as soon as I see your message. Okay, so let's quickly jump into Canva and design a thumbnail for our YouTube, right? So what you're going to do right now, if you want to design Alright guys, welcome back. This is my Canva dashboard. So the next thing we are going to do, if you have signed up to Canva, this is what you're going to be seeing. Okay, you can design this on your smartphone, you can design it on your laptop, you can do it on your tab, depending on which of them is available to you. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to the search area, and I'll type YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now you can see YouTube thumbnail. So you're going to click on it. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, we have different thumbnails right in front of us. Now the beautiful thing about Canva is Canva gives us a lot of options, okay, to choose from. If you want to design your thumbnail from scratch, you can hit the plus button. But who wants to do that when you have thousands? You have over 3,000 templates for you to pick from. So who wants to start from the scratch? Nobody. I guess you don't want to do that. Okay, so let's quickly go straight to and choose one. Okay, so for me, I like this one that I'm seeing here, so I'm going to make a choice. Okay, the ones that have paid, don't touch it. You don't want to do anything that has to do with paying money. You want to use the free product. Okay, Canva has a free product and has a pro. Okay, now I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose that one. This may take a while, but let's just be patient. Alright, our thumbnail is set for us. Now this is what a thumbnail is, but we don't want to use this for our YouTube, okay, because we need to make changes. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to click on, just tap on it, okay, tap on the picture and hit delete. Okay, it's going to ask me to delete image. I'm deleting the image. So what I'm going to do, I have a free space to add my own image, so I'm going to hit this plus at the left hand side below. Okay, the plus, I'm going to hit it. Then I'm going to scroll to where I have uploads. Okay, I'm going to hit uploads. I'm going to hit uploads. It's going to give me options of pictures that I can choose from. If you want to upload new pictures, you hit upload media. If you want to pick pictures from your gallery from your phone, you hit upload media. Okay, but because I already have pictures that I have uploaded here already, that's why it's showing me these pictures that you see on your screen. Okay, so I'm going to scroll. Okay, I'm going to scroll because I want to do a thumbnail that has to do with social media, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, yes, it has uploaded for me, so I'll fix it here, drag it and let it enter. Okay, so that is that. Now let's edit the text on it. I'll come here, I'll zoom and change it and say how to. Okay, how to. Now how to, what I'm changing the text to, I'm changing the text to how to monetize your social media account. Okay, so how to monetize. So this right now I have how to monetize, how to your social media, accounts. Okay, good, we have that set already. So let's move this one upwards. Let's move it upwards and move this one. Okay, good. Move it sideways and move this and feed this to this side. Alright, okay, good. Now we already have our design ready. Okay, so this is just a simple thumbnail, guys. If you are enjoying what you're seeing, if you're getting value from this, I want you to subscribe on this. Hit the subscribe button, share this video, let people know that we are doing something here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to download. Okay, once you download this, it's going to show up in your gallery. All you need to do is just to go to your gallery inside your phone or in your laptop or in your tab and look for where it is saved. Okay, normally it's going to save in a Canva folder. Okay, so I'm going to download it right now. Alright guys, it's already downloading. So this is how to create a YouTube thumbnail, okay, for your YouTube channel. Now if you have questions for me, if you have a comment, if you have questions about how to do stuffs online, please guys send me a message, comment in the comment section, and I'm going to answer you as soon as possible. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to this video, please do me a favor, subscribe to this video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that when I post new videos, you'll be the first to know. I look forward to seeing you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye.